Hi everyone, so I've just come to share with you two journals that I've made, and these will both be listed in my shop. They are kind of a little bit of this, that and everything else that I've got like in my stash. They both measure 8 1/4 by 8 1/8 excuse me, by 5 1/4, and there is 84 pages in each one. And I would quickly do a flip through. I just done a video and got right to the end of it and completely lost all my words and just gave up. I thought, oh, you know what, I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to do a quick flip through of these and do less chatting. So we have Terri Woods inspired flip out pockets here, and this is in the other one as well, so I won't pull them out on the other one. So this is because you can do these for lefties and righties, that's how I do it, and obviously this one is for a lefty. And we have some ephemera, we have tags, they've been sewn onto teal coffee dyed paper, and another tag here, a journal card, and some more ephemera there. So that all tucks in there. Doily, paper bag, some edge punching. Here we have some music paper, some digital paper from the old design shop. Some more digital paper. Got to take a little drink just before I start coughing. So I made a pocket and I made some paper ruffles, so I popped some of that on there. And some ephemera, another tag, stamped tag here, library card, and a Tiffany & Co. little tag, a doily, some edge punching, digital prints, some more digital prints. Can't remember who they're from, keep forgetting. I keep forgetting to look them up as well. Large tag there, again that's been sewn. Another tag, it's been coffee dyed, a journal card here, and another library card, so Rita Donnelly flip. Another French letter here. Centre of signature. Another French letter. Excuse me. Two tags. Rita Donnelly flip. Another ruffle pocket here, some ephemera, a tag. I love these tags from Artie Mays, and they're all freebies, so go over and check out her Facebook group, Artie Mays and Friends, and also her website where she's got her freebies on there as well, because we know not everyone is on Facebook. This is another pocket inspired by Terri Woods, and Terry's linked below. I've got her constantly linked because I constantly get asked how to do that. Who is that person again? So I've got her linked below, so you can go over and check out her channel and see her tutorials and obviously her journals that she makes. Another journal card here, and a Tiffany & Co. tag there, and that is that one. I love that butterfly, so that is that one. And in this one, again same amount, same size, same amount of pages. Flip up here, some ephemera, tags, and a library card. Some stamping in the back there, doily paper bag, edge punching, French paper here, another one of these French letters from the old design shop. Another ruffled pocket there, and we have some ephemera. And that, I'll show you this, it's just folded over, so you can journal on that. A doily, some edge punching, some ledger and their digital papers. This is another one of Terri Wood's flip out pages. I'm not going to take that one out because I just want the other one. Tag, journal card, and another Tiffany & Co tag. Centre of signature. Lots of journaling room in these because I like to make them that way so that those that do like to journal can journal, and those that just like to pop things in can still do that on the pages, create nice, you know, layouts of their own on the, you know, within the journal. It leaves it with lots of possibilities, I think. Oh, fingers doesn't want to work then. Tag, journal card, another one of these which I've just folded, and that just pops in there. Another ruffled pocket. I mean, you could do that with fabric as well. But I'm more of a, don't get me wrong, I do like fabrics and I do like laces and all that, but I am more of a papery person. Paper is my favourite thing. I think it's just because it's so, you can do so much with it as well, paper. It's amazing what you can do with it. It's amazing what people come up with as well with, you know, a piece of paper. Just amazes me. Another pocket there, like in the other one. Some ephemera, a tag, another tag there, a library card, and a Tiffany & Co tag there, and that is the back. So that is that journal, that is that one. Both will be linked in my shop. Just so you know, because obviously I'm in the UK, so my website is, you know, UK based, and it does show the prices in British sterling, right, the British pound. So if you're from another country and you're buying one of my journals, PayPal converts it all for you before you actually pay. You know exactly what you're paying in your own currency. So it's always hard because you know, the currency can go up and down all the time, you know, to do with, you know, depending on the financial states of the, you know, the difference between the pound and the dollar, you know, if you're in America. So yeah, so if you're looking for that information, PayPal will do it for you, because I cannot be 100% accurate on that because like I said, I have actually tried to work it out before for someone, and when they paid, it was actually like, it wasn't much, it was like 90p or 90 cents more, and he actually said, oh, you got that wrong. So that's why I don't like to kind of try and work it out, you know, even online, because it's not always accurate. So it's best for PayPal to do it, and like I said, you will see that before you pay, and if it's not what you want, then you don't have to go through with the transaction. So if you have any questions, just ask, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.